Hi guys, this is Tuesday, October the 3rd, and I have an unboxing for you. You know how I like, let me try to make this down a little bit. You know how I like Michael Kors, and I had been looking on the Michael Kors website for a while at a purse, and actually two purses, but I decided not to get one of them. But I just couldn't bring myself to get either one of them because they were just expensive. Well, I had gotten an email from Michael Kors saying that handbag that you were looking at is now on sale. So I checked it out, and lo and behold, it was on a pretty darn good sale. So I got the purse and I got the matching wallet. I'm a big matching person. So if I get a purse, I like to, if I can, like to get the matching wallet. And I also like those little, I call them a change purse, but they're kind of about this big. And they got a little zip around and you open up inside. It's kind of small, but you can put money in there or cards or anything. I don't have a good one of that. I've got one I've been using for years and it is really worn out. I need to go on eBay and see if I can find another one. But anyway, let me unbox my box. Got this today in the mail from UPS. Had it in my trunk. Oh, did I do that?
Go ahead.
This selfie stick is that stupid one, and it does not kind of bend down where I can put the angle of the phone down. I still can't find my old one. I know it's in here somewhere, but and I'm the only one that lives here. How can I lose stuff and I can't find it? I do not know. Okay, so how does this box open up? Oh, this one. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I can't wait to look at it. Okay, let me show you the wallet first. This is a wallet in Primrose. They had this purse in a lot of colors, but they had them in a... Why can't I just not talk tonight? I guess I'm just really tired. They had it in a lot of fall dark colors, which really looked nice, but I felt like that would limit me in how often I could carry it. So I ordered it in this, I guess it's called Primrose color. So let's take a look. Oh, these cats. I think there's like a full moon or something because they are acting really bad. So we have the tissue paper. Ah, there we have it. Will you guys quit over there? So this is all kind of packed up. I really do like their wallets. So it opens up like this, and I will get the packaging out. Always get one of those cards. I used to save these, but I don't save them anymore. I had a crap load of them. Okay, so this is called Jet Set Travel Large Envelope Continental Leather Wallet in Primrose, because I still have the tag there. So this is what the wallet looks like. I put my checkbook in here, my cards. It has this really nice zippered pocket. I have a bunch of these wallets. But again, I wanted this wallet to match my purse. Now it's late, so I am not going to be able to change this over. Really soft leather too. So I probably won't be using this right away. There's, I don't know if you can see the Michael Kors on there. Okay. Now I ordered the I guess this is a medium. I ordered a medium Mirella handbag. So that's what the handbag is. It's a Mirella. Mirella, is that how you, that's how I say it. So let's take a look. All the packaging. So it came like this. Yep, it's the medium. Oh, I love it. There it is. The color is Primrose. No feet on the bottom. I like this size. So I will take some of the stuffing out for you and see what it looks like, but then I'm going to put it back in because I'm not going to be using it right away. I do not use the strap, this handle, the strap that goes with it. I don't use these. I do not really like crossbodies, but I keep it anyway because you never know if I want to sell it or something. So this tag says Mirella Primrose, medium, tote, and leather. Okay, so this, if you could see, it's all open in there. It does have some zipper pouches, but I find if I have a smaller purse, I don't carry so much crap that I do not need. So the purse I'm using now, I think I did a unpackaging for you. It's a real bright pink, shiny, glittery type purse. So I am just going to put this all back in here. So there you have it. I really like this logo thing on here, how it's indented in there. So I'm just going to keep it in this box and cover it all back up until I'm ready to use it. And I know it's not really a fall color. No, don't chew on that, you ding dong. Oh my God, these cats are a mess. Actually, he was chewing on the, what do you call it? The little plastic thing. So thank God he wasn't chewing on this. Yeah, he was chewing on this little plastic thing. Oh, you gotta watch these guys with everything. Let's see, can I wrap this back up? I'm gonna wrap this up in the plastic. Just like that. Yay, I really do like this purse. Okay, I got it all back wrapped up. And I'm gonna put it in my closet, in this big box. Hopefully these cats won't claw this box. Okay, you need to get out of there. That is it. Thank you for doing the unboxing with me. I don't know if I look tired. I am very, very tired. No lipstick on even. So there you go. I don't know, you guys, I don't think you guys ever told me if this is a better place to do unboxings and different things. I like it because I can lean on this big old mirror. There's my clothes across the way there. But yeah, I got a launder basket full of work clothes I haven't put away yet. But yeah, that's just me. So, okay guys, thank you so much for watching my unboxing. I got a couple more subscribers. Thank you guys. And I do have a Mirella that is like a jean material. I don't know if I've showed you guys that. One of these days I'll have to do a thing of how many of all my Michael Kors bags. I have had so many through the years and sold them. And if I kind of wish I would have taken pictures of them because there's so many that, you know, you can't find anymore that I did sell. But anyway, this is now, that was in. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I did get my new screen protector in the mail. It was it a Belkin screen protector? Great, works great. And I like it, easy to put on, all that kind of stuff. I have a Stitch Fix coming, but it's not for a couple of weeks. And I think that's all I have. I don't have anything else. I've gotten a few Christmas gifts already, but I'm not going to show you guys those things. But yeah, I don't think I have any more unboxings to do right now. Today is the last day of the Michael Kors sale. They had 25% off. I looked through the website. I didn't find anything else. So yeah, so I didn't get anything else. So this is fine. I really do like this purse. So thanks a lot for watching. I will catch you guys later.